Hi everyone, it's Sunday and it's cooking time. So for today menu, we are cooking Philippine dish, the egg adobo. So normally, this could be chicken, pork or beef. It depends on you. But today's ingredients is very simple. We just use egg, some oil, garlic and onion, and then I'm using oyster sauce in here, like 3 tablespoons. Okay, make sure that you already saute your egg. Okay, so saute, and then next will be adding some soy sauce of your choice. So again, I'm not advertising any brand in here. I'm just using what is available in my kitchen now. So of course, what is adobo without the vinegar? So here, since we put 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, we are adding also 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, then mix well and leave it for about 5 minutes. Okay, then in here I'm adding some basil leaves for the flavor. There's a twist flavor in there when you are using the basil leaves. Okay, this is Cajun seasoning, if you heard about the Cajun, but this is optional. I'm just adding this because I love the taste of Cajun. So there's a little zoom in here, okay, to see the color is changed already because we add the Cajun. It becomes a little more red. So let's have the first taste test in here. Okay, perfect. The taste was so good. Okay, just leave another 3 minutes for that, and then voila! Ready to eat. The mixture already thickened in here, so it means it's already well done. Okay, sorry for that crop picture in there. Okay, there's the garlic stick on that spoon. Okay, we will having a closer look for this. Okay, yeah, as you see, that's the egg adobo with a twist of Cajun mixture and basil leaves. So here are some photos while I'm cooking. Super easy, especially if you're living alone. Just have the main ingredient, which is hard-boiled egg, and then you can cook egg adobo with basil leaves and Cajun. Thank you for watching.